Hey everybody, back to Andretti Indoor Karting and Gaming. You guys seem to like my first video when I first visited this place, so I'm back to do some more gaming. But this time I am going to be going on the go-kart track, and they're letting me put my GoPro on my helmet, so look for that in this video. If you want to jump to that, I'll have a chapter marker. Gonna do a little bit of gaming first. But before I do that, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload my next thing or go live. Not sure why the manufacturer put this little window in here, but it's a perfect spot to place my SLR here and get a good shot of the entire screen, so that's pretty cool. That's how it's done. That's not how it's done.
Ouch! That's gonna leave a mark. Slow it down, Hercules. Hey, watch the hair, kid. You can do it.
Alright, let's check out the Andretti grill. I wonder if those TVs show anything other than that image. I will wait here to be seated. So this is the menu. Haha, there's more on the other side. I didn't realize that. I flipped it over to show that I was finished, and there's a lot more on this side. From here you can see the Sky Bar. And of course no shortage of different channels to watch on the TVs. Seems like it's all sports, but... Alright, well here it is. It's interesting. A little paper bag for the fries. Haven't seen that before. And I switched out pepper jack with provolone and went without the onions, but pretty much the same otherwise. Might ask for some barbecue sauce, as long as it's not Heinz. So I had a little bit of it. The fries are really good. They're crispy, but not crispy in a traditional sense, more like, if it makes sense, how chicken or fried shrimp is crispy. It's not the same consistency. It's nice. And although it looks a little bit like a Philly cheesesteak, except without the stuff that is in a Philly cheesesteak, it is a pulled pork, and it's very good. All right, well, it's November, and they're playing Thriller. Gotta love that. This is really good. I think I might try it with the onions next time. So that was a really good meal, and it's not bad for especially for a restaurant in the middle of an arcade. That's a good price. And here's the Sky Bar. If you'd like to see more about this Sky Bar, see my original video shot here a few years ago. On to the truck. I'm going to put a little bit of video in here, but I'm also going to upload the video separately as a 360 video. The reason why it's called Andretti instead of Mario Andretti is because it's more than just Mario. So the previous time I was here, this is called Gear because it's a shop to buy merchandise. But for some reason, there's no merchandise in here. It looks like it's set up for a private event. They also have bowling. If you want to see more of that, look at my original video. I can only link to it once, but the card should still be up there. Some crazy looking cars. So I hope you enjoyed my return trip to Andretti. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. So when you see me going around the track, at some point you see some windows. Those are where the windows are. It used to say Andretti Indoor Karting and Gaming, but they took the sign down, which is odd. It looks like the building might be getting a repaint, which is interesting because it's only been here for, I think, 3 years. It definitely shouldn't need to be repainted yet.